Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's video is about the spike factor essay in the Rotman application. So even last year, the year before, Rotman had consistently kept its essay topic to spike factors. It is a very unique thing which was initially coined by McKinsey, and it talks about unique values or unique characteristics each of the person as an MBA aspirant brings to the table or brings to the Rotman community, right? So when we are talking about those spike factors, what is the difference between this year's essay topic from the previous years? If you notice that there has been one extra added line in the topic talking about how this spike factor, so far it has been about how the spike factor will help you contribute to the Rotman community. That has been the question. But this year they have added one line saying, how does your spike factor help you in being a great, an MBA student, and even beyond that, how is it going to help you? That is another question that they have added into the topic this year. So let us first talk about what we have to, bring about as spike factors. Please don't restrict it only to your work or only to your extracurriculars. Try and keep 1 to 3 spike factors you can mention. Try and keep them a mixture of, multiple facets of your personality. It could be, one could be work, one could be extracurriculars, something like that. Or you can even go up to 3. Or if you think you have, an amazing story which is very unique to you that you can actually impress the AdCom with, or you show your entire personality to the AdCom through, you can even use just one spike factor. It just doesn't matter, right? So out of these things, you can use up to 3 instances to talk about one spike factor, or it could be like 3 different stories depicting 3 different spike factors of yours. Okay, so what are some tips that I have for this spike factor essay? If you have to describe yourself as a personality with all those words that the Rotman has given, right? In terms of passion, grit, resilience, and all of those, what could be some examples, authentic stories that you can use to connect with whoever reads the application? That is something that we need to really focus on. That actually makes your essay stand out. Not any flowery language or, perfect grammar, not any of those things, right? So they want to look at you as a complete personality, not just as a professional. So what spike factors can you describe there is based on what life stories you bring to the table. So when you say about life stories, it could be something like where you recovered something like a failure, or you did extraordinarily at work and proved something, or it could be even a simple thing in your life, how you came out of a bad situation. Any of these things, it could be anything, but it should be unique to you. It should not be anything else. Like, for example, someone writes saying, I was the cultural secretary of my college and I conducted culturals. That is a very normal story if you say like that. But if you can actually say what challenges you faced and what were certain personal attributes of yours that you used to actually make that event successful, right? It is about you elaborating it in a nice way, in a way that it conveys your personal attributes and makes the other person who reads get your holistic personality, right? That is very important when it comes to spike factors. While you're busy conveying your stories, please do not forget that Rotman does not have a classic career goals essay or why MBA question or why Rotman question. It is very important for you to talk about all these also embedded in the stories that you are actually conveying in your spike factor essay. So when you are actually talking about those spike factors, it is not just you, but how you are going to contribute with those spike factors to the Rotman community. Now, that word is very important. It is not the Rotman cohort that you're going to be a part of, but the broader Rotman community and the surroundings, the other people, teachers, professors, non-teaching, whoever it is, right? So the entire community is going to benefit through you. If there was one thing that you would probably add into it, that will be an amazing thing to mention, as a point to mention. So that is something that I really want you to focus on. Also, there should be a connect between your past and the present, also your future. So if you can somehow tie all these elements together along with this story, saying this is how my past was, describing your spike factor, how it will actually help you in the MBA program now, and then it all also add up to Rotman experience in the Rotman community. And then when you get out of here, what do you want to become, and how will the spike factor help you, achieve great heights in your career. So that is what any alma mater would expect from its alumni, right? So obviously, how you're going to fare well in your career, and how much of a clarity do you have regarding your career goals. That is also something very important. And there are other aspects of Rotman that you can focus on. You can browse through and talk about why specifically Rotman. There are many other schools in Canada, right? Why Canada, why Rotman in specific are certain things that you can also add in your essay. Especially you can talk about the different labs that are there, different specializations or streams that they offer. They're very unique. So talk about those labs, your specializations and all of those things to make your essay, convey that you have done that research about Rotman, which is actually expected out of you. So you really know what you are getting into. So this is about awareness that you're conveying, your self-awareness and your awareness about the program, where you want to go and how it will actually bridge all of this together, right? That is very important when you're mentioning your spike factors. One other thing that you need to remember is this is not yet another essay where you have like 300, 400, 500 words where you talk about, one aspect of your personality and it's done. This is 1,000 words essay, which means it is going to be tough and challenging to write that essay because it is not going to get over in one draft, because what is at stake is, huge. So I would suggest you to write one draft, rewrite, ask for suggestions, feedback, get professional help if you want to, make all those corrections and, write again. Writing again and again makes your essay very different, because if you sleep over one draft of your essay and, get up in the morning and you yourself read it, you're going to see some difference or, some missing points there, or how you could make it really better. So the secret of writing a very good essay is also about you processing it as much as possible in your brain and actually rewriting versions of it. So that is a very important thing to remember also. So if you are, in the last minute, you want some suggestions, if you want corrections, editing to your essay, you can reach out to me. Or if you are aiming for the next rounds where you really want to put forward a perfect spike factor essay, you need some help, I'm always there. You can reach out to me on the mail ID that shows up on the screen. I will be there to help you bring out the best spike factors that appeals to Rotman. All the very best.